Gold prices are down more than normal on Tuesday as we see that many traders are looking forward to the Fed meeting on Wednesday. Here to talk to us about it is Tom Vitiello. Tom, what are we seeing? Usually people say, well, the trade is going to be based on what the Fed says in its latest statement. We haven't had a statement yet.
Yeah, I think right now the bears are in control, and I think that the fact that we are hovering below the 1400 level, they're able to push it. It's very low volume the last couple of days, and I think it's a lot of people sitting on their hands waiting to see what happens.
So when you're looking at this trade, it goes a little bit lower. Are there any kind of correlations that you're seeing? Is there anything sticking out to you on a technical side?
Well, technically, I think we have to just stay above this 1330 level. That's the double bottom we had after the big crash in April and again in May. So I think holding above that level, and again below that 1421 level. So we're stuck in this basically $80 range, and on either side of that is the only way it'll take some direction, I guess you could say.
So when we do finally get the statement and we hear the press conference from Bernanke, what kind of a move are you expecting if we don't get any tapering suggestions?
That could be interesting. Maybe we'll get a little bit of a short covering rally out of that. I don't know. I think right now we are in this vortex. The physical demand has dried up. A lot of the ETF liquidation has happened already. So it really is more about price point. There are a lot of people that are still long above that 1500 level. And, we're going to see what happens with them. If it gets below those levels, the low 13s, they may be just pushed out, just basically supply and demand. Just can't take the pain anymore. And on the upside also, they may start to maybe, pare back their positions a bit. So.
Okay, so then what are you expecting?
I'd like to. I'm going to sit and wait here on either side of those numbers. I really don't like to arrange trade, and I just want to see if it gets a direction. I feel a little bit favorable to the downside. I feel that they want to test that level down there and maybe break it and see if they can get to the 1250 level. That's how I feel at this point.
All right, Tom. Well, thanks as always. You heard it from Tom. He's going to stay on the sidelines after the Fed meeting, but he also feels the bears are in control. I'm Joe Dell, The Street.